Hey, what's going on guys, and this is my new keyboard. As I'm not really hyped with PC stuffs, it is hard decision for me to pick a keyboard, and finally I pick up this. This is the Imperion Mech 7 mechanical keyboard. For only $29, you're getting a lot with this keyboard. The build quality isn't the best, but for the price, it is built surprisingly well. The switch are Cherry MX Blue clones made by Kaihl. It feels one-to-one with the original, but even though the keycaps is made out of ABS plastic, the base is made out of a metal plate, which had a level of sturdiness. The first thing that I like is the key travel. Even though this is my first time using mechanical keyboard, it just feels really good, and it encourages you to type more and more again. Media keys in this keyboard are really handy, and this keyboard features a RGB backlit which comes in many modes, which I will talk about later. I love that it has weight to it so it doesn't move around the table, and it comes with a raised rubber fit, which adds value to the keyboard, as not all high-end keyboard features this. So now let's have a quick typing sound. So that is how it sounds, and in my opinion it's just sound really good. And last, this is some backlight modes that I mentioned before. So that's it for today's video, and as always, stay awesome.